chickening out?
You okay?
Oh, it's not over. It's only begun.
What just happened here?
Oh! 712 crayons for you, Logan. Give me that camera. Thanks, Sarah Wade, for the idea of under the fifth cheek. She gave me the idea. I mean, us the idea.
Retaliation!
Dang, they're in the bathroom.